Hey everybody, and welcome back to our channel. Hey, are you a member of this family? If not, hit that subscribe button right now and become part of the family. Guys, do you have a nasty old lamp in your office or your house that looks something like this? Well, it's time for something new. Now, I've done quite a few reviews and I've seen a lot of things. Every now and again, something comes along that really just knocks my socks off. Guys, I'm talking about the new GRAVITA magnetized levitating lamp. Have you heard about this? It's incredible. Magnetic levitating lamp? Let me show you. Guys, this is the coolest thing ever. Check this out. First off, check out this. Pretty cool globe, nice lamp. Watch this. Yeah, look at that. It's floating in the air. Look at that. Isn't that incredible? Now, I've been playing with this thing for ages. Look at this. You can spin it. Look at that. I mean, how incredible is this? It's not touching. There's no plugs. There's no cables. It's just floating in the air. The bulb is actually shatter resistant, dust resistant, and water resistant. Now, something else you might have picked up on is the color of the light. It's 1700 Kelvin light. That's something between candlelight and sunrise in the morning. It's a really relaxing light, and they've done that on purpose. You know, there's nothing worse than hurting your eyes, getting headaches, migraines from lights, from lamps that are way too powerful, too fluorescent. It's not good for a working environment. This is perfect. It's light enough to read, it lights up your area, but it's also good on your eyes and good on your mind. Now, GRAVITA have different bulbs to choose from, and you can order them on their website. For more info, check the link down below. They've also got the daylight photon bulb, which is 4500 Kelvin. It's brighter and can be used as a desk lamp in study rooms. Now, all GRAVITA light bulbs are LED powered, and that means they're super energy efficient. You're looking at about 58,400 hours of light out of a bulb. That's 20 years of light from one of these bulbs. That's just gonna last and last forever. Now, something else I've realized while I've been playing around is that if you bump it a little too hard, you'd imagine, oh, the whole thing's gonna fall down, smash into 1,000 pieces. If I bump it just a little too hard, like that, you see that? It immediately magnetizes to the base and it's safe and secure. You'll realize it because the light will be off, and then you'll come back and you'll adjust it. How cool is that? Now, something else I also found out is that if there's a power failure, the bulb will automatically attach magnetically to the base. So let's try it out. I'm actually going to just pull out the cable and let's see what happens. Did you see that? Whoa! The whole thing just reattaches super quick, super easy, so you don't ever have to worry about the bulb suddenly falling. So the lamp makes use of electromagnetics. Apart from the science behind it, it really looks cool, and it has this great minimalistic design. But it has so many more features than just this. So apart from the fact that it's completely wireless, look how easy it is to switch on, just with a simple touch to this little beautiful little brass button over here. But besides that, it has a charging facility for your mobile device. So basically, if you have one of those mobile devices, you put it on the top of this base here and it will start charging. Now, worried about putting your phone on you? Not to worry. The base has these anti-scratch, anti-slip supports that help protect your screen and your phone. Well, say you don't want to use the wireless charger. Maybe your phone's a little bit older. Not to worry. They have a USB-A and USB-C port for fast charging. So I'm gonna plug my phone in here and give my phone a good charge. You see this? These are built-in Bluetooth speakers, so you can connect any device to your lamp. So think about it, your mobile phone, even your television. If you have this right next to you or behind you, you could create almost like a surround sound sort of system using these speakers. And what I really like about it is the sound quality is really good. Listen to this. got a Bluetooth speaker, you've got your wireless charger, you've got your lamp with a levitating globe. You can take this pretty much anywhere. And that's the great thing. Hey, it's not terribly heavy. It's a beautiful minimalist design. You could put it in your office. At the end of the day, you could take it back home with you. Now, you guys know on this channel, something we look out for when we review products is how sustainable are they? Are they eco-friendly? And I'm very happy to say GRAVITA is sustainably made. It's made from upcycled steel and glass materials that have been recycled. Also, there's no child labor involved and their staff are paid fair wages. Well, sometimes people ask, well, why does that even matter? Guys, there's 1,000 different products you could buy, many brands you could try out, and where you could spend your money. But I really do always recommend you spend your money wisely on products and brands that are thinking about our future. Now, what do you receive when you order your GRAVITA? Well, you will get the lamp, you will get a Edison bulb, and you'll get your plug point, which you plug into your power source. So what do I like about a product like this? Well, besides the fact that it's extremely functional and it has all these features, it's a conversation point. It's something that's going to draw people in. It's cutting edge, it's scientific, it's innovative, but it's going to draw people in and they're going to talk about it. They're going to talk about the science of it. And that's really something unique. You get lamps and you get lamps, but something like this makes it completely unique and special. Now, it's a Kickstarter, and that's what I really want to encourage you guys to go check out their Kickstarter page, because this is something that I think we should all try and get behind and support. It's something that's going to look fantastic in my home and it'll look great in your home or your office as well. But let's support projects like this that really use cutting edge technology to come up with furniture and functional furniture that really helps change the future. Really fantastic product from Floatily. I'm leaving links down below where you can go check them out. Guys, thank you for joining in on our GRAVITA unboxing and review. Fantastic product. I'm super excited to see what the Floatily team come up with next.